So our theme this week is curiosity. And I chose that because we went on had lots of people here being curious about things, and even some of us locals got to see new things. So we got to be very curious. And so I thought it would be, since you heard already from me about what I thought about curiosity, I thought we'd ask, oh, this, by the way, hey, look, it's Reverend Glenda Walden. Woo! I'm so excited to get into it. I forgot to say who you were.
I know who I am.
So, Reverend Glenda,
Yes.
what do you think of when you think about the spiritual aspects of curiosity?
I think of joy. So any of you that traveled with me this week know that I am very curious, so curious that you often lost track of me. I like to wander as I wander. And so when I think about curiosity, I think about joy, because when I become curious about the ways that the divine is expressing in the world. And I saw many divine examples this week among my comrades who took me places I'd never been, standing out on glaciers, seeing the moose.
Yes.
Yes. So I love the curiosity enlivens my joy. And so I have found great joy this week through being curious.
Yes. It's almost like I'm playing that.